Your story, my story, their stories.
Now,
Araw na to,
there's
ikaw ang bida sa
nowhere to
ating
hide. Since you
Yes, araw ng ating trabaho. Eto, medyo nagutom ako, tumakas lang ako. That's all we do is, ang target natin for today, kain tayo ng trending. Yes, this one trending is street food right in Korea. Merong barbecue si Imo, and of course, middle of the night, no, madaling araw na, alas 3 na tayo in here. So, kakain akong tteokbokki, tinatawag yung tteokbokki, yung manganghang na yan. So, yung kinain ko mga tower cuts, and of course, yung tinatawag lang sundae, yung sundae. Sundae is meron siyang atay, and of course, noodles na para siyang longganisa. So, sa araw na to, samahan mo ako at ibibita kita sa aking kwento. Yes, mga Java Cats. So, middle of the night na. Wala nang tao. Ako na lahat ang nag-iisa dito sa place. No, so I take that one and I pay 2,500 won. Almost nagbayad ako ng 3,000 won. So, kakain ako nag-gravy ako ng tteokbokki. Tteokbokki, tinatawag nila, merong itong rice cake, and of course, meron silang odeng. Yung odeng na tinatawag in here, there's parang fish, parang something like yung fishball or something sa Pilipinas na gano'n. Nakalimutan ko na. This one is spicy but is super yummy. And of course, trending din ito pag lasing ka, pag madaling araw. Paborito din ito ng ating mga Jabber Gods ng mga Korean. And of course, hindi lang Korean, hindi lang pang international, pang all over the world pa. This one's really like spicy dahil na trending ito. Gumaya naman ako, gaya-gaya po tumaya, sis Bomba. It's really good and I try and I give you one more bite. And this one is it's really delicious mga kagong kaibigan. Kailangan ko mag-moment, medyo mainit-init at maanghang-anghang. Dahil mainit-init, maanghang-anghang, it's okay lang. Binigyan ako ng soup ni Imo. And of course, yung soup na yun, it's a really good soup. And of course, this one is very like trending. At syempre, pag madaling araw, kulang na lang soju. But we don't have that soju, so ninamnam ko. Masarap talaga siya. And of course, this one is cost 2,500 won. Binigay ko ng 3,000 won sa kanya. Dahil madami-dami ito, manghang siya, hindi ko kayang ubusin. But don't worry, but it's okay. It's really good. The trending is one madaling araw. Everywhere right in here in Korea, you can see trending din ito sa bansang Pilipinas. Tteokbokki. Bakit tinawag niyan tteokbokki ito? Meron siyang rice cake, and of course, meron siyang gochujang, meron siyang gochugaru, at yung tinatawag lang gochugaru, yun yung that's a sili, and then the powder gochugaru, and of course meron siyang chili paste, at meron silang something like ingredient yang pa, nilagyan din ito ng dahon ng sibuyas, but it's really good. And of course, mura pa, masarap pa. And look at that one, red ang color. Yes, parang may jobos. No, that's the red chili pepper, so that's why it's color red. So dahil spicy siya, and I have the soup. Madaling araw na mga kong kaibigan. Yes, madaling araw na. Ito pa rin ako, nagutom ako. And of course, this one, the trending tteokbokki. Trending nga ito, di ba? So kaya nga gumawa ako ng vlog nga ito, but it's okay. This one is really awesome, and affordable pa, lalo na pag wala akong pera. Napakasarap. Siyempre, lalo na pag nakainom ako. Lasing na lasing kasi ako eh. Yeah, so that's why kumain ako. Hindi naman ako lasing, nakainom lang ako. Di ba? Lasing. Wala kasing love life. Paano pagsasabay naman ng love life at saka trabaho, which is only one, which is only work. Well, mga kong kaibigan, and of course, I'm still eating in this one. Hello, kain ka. Sa akin pa, sa akin kulang ito. But it's alright. The good things is, saan ka man magparoon sa mundo, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan. But we don't need to be worried about many things like splendor things. So, natapos na yata ako. So, that's why, eto na, I give a little bit to this one. Ito natawag ng yaki mando. And of course, meron din tteokbokki, yan yung kinain ko. And meron din siyang chicken on a stick. Meron libreng pasabaw si Lola. And of course, that's all mahal kong kaibigan. I give you like a mobile. And of course, patapos na rin ito. Sa gabing ito, ikaw ang bida sa kwento ko. And of course, saan ka man magparoon, ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayaman. This one is really like it's spicy, but it's so good. And I sip a little bit the soup. The soup is really good. And right now, because it's not the weather, it's so hot, really, summertime. So, madaling araw na, uwi na ako at pabalik na ako sa club. And of course, para maghanap buhay na naman, yes, medyo umaga na at medyo maliwanag na. Yes, andyan nagkalat ang mga dyan sa lansangan, naghahanap ng kaligayan. No, I'm only joking. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and this your Queen Angel. Sa araw na to, ikaw ang bida sa kwento ko.
Good
Magandang gabi
morning,
po.
everybody. Yes, of course, good morning to everybody. Again, yes, and first po natin all of W, and eto, nag-gravy ako ng best street food. They call this a tteokbokki. Yes, tatapusin ko lang ito hanggang 8 minutes kasi, di ba? This content dito is very good, and of course, like in the middle of the night, and of course, late at night, talagang nakakagutom, especially when you drink alcohol. Diba? Yes, and of course, tteokbokki, pwede rin siyang pulutan, pwedeng merienda, pwede rin siyang ulamin. This one is kind of a little bit more sweet, and that's they call this the small white one, that rice cake. Yes, mabuhay po lahat kung sa kabilang sang OFW. Ang iyong lingkod eto, sa kalsada, kahit sa dilim, kitang kita pa rin. Malamig ang panahon. Yes, nag-isa tayong umuwi ng bahay. Thank you so much. And of course, we always wondering to eat Korean food. Yes, mahilig din ako sa mga ramen at noodles at saka sa mga spicy, and of course yung mga samyang, na-try ko na yan. And of course the new trending, the what you call that, the pink one, it's really good at, it's super spicy, but it's carbonara. I had that before in this area. Yes, dito madalas ako nag-vlog dito. And I give a little bit more tour. And of course, tapusin natin ito hanggang 8 minutes. Samahan mo ako sa araw na to. Sa kwento ko, kwento mo, kwento niya, kwento ng buhay ko. And of course, ikaw ang bida sa istorya ko of W. Ba't nga ba tayo? Why we come in overseas? Of course, to make money. Diba? Because if we have money, why we come other country? Yes, and of course, alam mo na pag nagtrabaho tayo sa atin sa bansang Pilipinas, and of course, ang problema yung sweldo. At saka, syempre, hindi ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Pwede siguro, maybe, magtitinda ako ng Paris itlog. And of course, Paris na talong. And of course, inihaw na talong. And of course, unlimited rice, longanisa. Yes, pwede maraming pag-isipan, but because we are a breadwinner, so we come in overseas to work. Marami tayong pinapaaral. Siyempre, 10 kami magkapatid noon. Malis ako, tumutulo ang bahay. Nako, hindi na kailangan mag-shower pag umuulan. Umuulan din sa loob ng bahay, nag-shower din. While pag mahangin, yes, we don't need aircon kasi pumapasok ang hangin kasi wala kaming bintana. That's my story. Your story, my story, and their story. And of course, sa oras na to, syempre ako po yung mamamahala na because we need to sleep. And of course, tomorrow morning we do a lot of things, splendid things, sometimes when we touch, and the honesty too much. Saan ka pa? Diba? Oh, kaganda ng umaga. And of course, nag-uli na ako. And of course, pasikat na ang araw. The sunrise coming soon. Well, anyway, thank you po so much. Ang aking kwento. And of course, ikaw ang bida sa oras to. Marami pong salamat. Please do subscribe my channel. Leave a comment down below. I love you all.